All right, just opened up the new iPhone 15 Pro Max and bam, time for the new AirPods with USB-C. Now, wait a minute. These aren't the new ones. These are my old ones. Here's the new ones. Look at the boxes. They're freaking identical looking. As you see here, these are still sealed. These have been opened. This has the little USB-C in the back. So actually it looks like they're kind of busting open themselves, but I haven't opened them at least. So let's do a little wager. These are the new AirPods 2. These are the original AirPods 1. I am going to spin them around on the table. If you can correctly guess which AirPods are the USB-C models, you can ask me to do something in the descriptions. It might happen. If you don't guess which is which, I feel like it's only fair that you owe me a like, and if you're really generous, a sub to the channel while ringing the bell. All right, let's get to it. Just one more. These are even I got it messed up. AirPods 2, Pro 2 with USB-C, original AirPods Pro with Lightning. A few years old, just came out the other day. All right. Who said reviewing tech couldn't be a workout? All right, so let's see which is which. Is this the AirPods Pro 2 or is this the AirPods Pro 2? It is these guys right here. USB-C 2, AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C. And again, don't feel bad if you got these wrong. Look at how similar this is, but you know, what's fair is fair. Hit that bell. All right, let's open this up and see what they're like. Bam, there's the first one. And by the way, if you're wondering what the iPhone 15 Pro Max camera looks like, you're looking at it. I'm using it to record this. Designed by Apple here in California. Here they are. No sticker. I don't see one at least. Might have cheaped out. What a surprise, right? So there's that. Usual papers. Here are the AirPods themselves. There they are. Brand new. Brand new. Came out years ago. Still look pretty similar. Here's a USB-C on the bottom. This one has a speaker, and this may be like a microphone or something. Pretty similar. I don't know what that hole is, but pretty similar. This has a little smaller vent looking thing here. These do not. Maybe that just has to do with the tuning. I don't know. Either way, very similar. All right, let's get these set up. Check them out. Oh, this also has a little lanyard clip on the side. This do not. Let's see what else is in the box before we set them up. Here are the tips. And bam, look at that. You get another USB-C to USB-C cable. It looks very similar to the one that comes with the iPhone 15s. So that's definitely a perk. I was not expecting that actually. Cool. Glad I did that on camera. Here are the ear tips. A new one that it came out with this second generation is this extra small. I'm more of a medium or large ear tip kind of guy, but for some people, this extra small seems to be a lifesaver. All right, let's open them up.